Okay, this is the video demonstration for the 9-volt battery power supply for our DIY 3220 point breadboard project. This is a rechargeable 9-volt battery that's inside of a battery pack. I've removed the lid so we can see the battery. This red wire here comes from the positive of the battery and it winds around to this switch, and then from the switch it goes to the positive rail of the breadboard, and then to this resistor through to the anode of the LED, and then to the cathode of the LED, and then to the negative rail of the breadboard. So this black wire from the battery goes to the negative rail of the breadboard. Here you can see a black wire off the negative rail. This black wire represents what will be uh, the lead that goes to the to a black banana plug binding post for the negative supply of our 9-volt battery power supply, and then the red lead coming off of here will represent the lead that will be going to a red binding post that will be the positive supply of the 9-volt battery power supply for our 3220 point breadboard. So I have a multimeter here and it's hooked up to these the two output leads here. And if I flip the switch on, we see that the white LED turns on, and the white LED for this project notifies us that we're using the 9-volt battery power supply for our 3220 point breadboard. And we have an output here. It's 8 volts. It's just because I haven't fully charged this rechargeable 9-volt battery, but you get the idea. Uh, in an ideal situation, when you flip the switch to get a 9-volt power supply, you'd end up having a 9-volt output. But that's one of the reasons why I wanted to use a 9-volt or a rechargeable 9-volt battery, so you'd have the opportunity to charge up this battery whenever you needed to, and then to be able to place it back into this battery pack whenever you needed to, and hopefully get an output of 9 volts for whatever project you're doing for your DIY 3220 point breadboard.